We just finished installing a LEX4 VL2 in this vehicle, and we're going to show you how to access the VLine and how to get out of the VLine. To get to the VLine source, you're going to go to the CD changer, which in this car is the disc button. And then as you can see here, it's gone to the CD changer source. Now if we want to exit this, we do have two different options. You can go in here and add the factory UI shortcut, and you can use that to get out to here. And then if you want to get back into the VLine, just press the audio button and that'll bring you back here. And if you're on the VLine and you want to get out fully to a different source, you'll press the FM or AM button, whichever source you want, and then you'll press the audio button to go back to that.